Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be removing that right there, that part. So without further ado, let's get to it, let's do it. We're going to remove a bunch of fasteners. A 10mm socket with the extension. There's two fasteners on the bottom and two fasteners on the top. See them? There's one, and there's one. DX51. One of the fasteners looks like it has a metal, if it'll ever, there we go, it's got a little metal sleeve on it. So that's one of the fasteners. Once you have the four fasteners out, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, there was one 12mm socket behind here and the back. As you can see, the blue socket is on the fastener behind it. So get that one off and you'll be able to pull out that. And by the way, this is a 1997 Ford Aspire. So once you got that one loosened in the back, if it ever focus, come on, there you go. Do this AC line, try to get it out of the way as much as you can, and you'll be able to get access to this. You can see it twist around, and it's time to get some light back there. Alright, time to pull that part out of there. Just wiggle, 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 and then there's a couple electrical connections to move out of the way too. Alright, so we gotta disconnect some electrical connections, which is pretty fun. It's really fun disconnecting these little electrical connections, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to lighten my commentary, because I don't know, I just feel like having a light-hearted commentary. I'm actually going to get a pair of pliers. It's a technician's favorite. So, and I'm not going to say mechanic, I'm going to say technician, because that'll probably make some people mad. But anyway, I'm going to say this is a technician's favorite. So you see how it depressed down a little bit? That's all I needed to do. And now, wiggle, 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 wiggle. There it goes. See that? And there you go. There's your part. It's an amazing part. It's a fantastic part. Look at it. Look what it does. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. 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 Look at this side. Oh, we gotta get this round part right here. It's got that feel to it. And you got this screw dangling, and then we're back to this again right here. Back to this. Isn't that cool? It just goes right on there. Look at that. Just right on there. I'm gonna spend a couple minutes doing that, but you can enjoy doing this too. So that's how you remove it. Installing it, I'm not going to install it, because you can do that. You can figure it out. So I want you to have a great day. And installation is probably reversal of removal, but you never can be sure these days. So have a great and excellent day. Some screws off here to take a gander inside. Took that screw and a couple of screws off here, so now you can see what's inside here. Delicious oil type grease. Yummy. Let's just stick our glove in there and just smash that around a little bit. Feels good. And you got some kind of oily, greasy O-ring going on. That's nice. Look at that.